Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The Charlson Comorbidity Index assesses the burden of comorbid diseases in patients. It assigns weighted scores to major chronic conditions such as myocardial infarction, congestive heart failure, cerebrovascular disease, chronic pulmonary disease, diabetes, liver disease, and malignancy. The main purpose is to predict the risk of mortality within 1 year and to adjust for confounding comorbidities in clinical research. It aids clinicians in estimating prognosis and guiding treatment decisions based on the overall impact of chronic illnesses. The Charlson Comorbidity Index is indicated primarily for adult patients with multiple chronic conditions or comorbidities. It is commonly applied in populations with chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disorders, diabetes, and chronic kidney disease. The index is particularly useful in clinical contexts requiring mortality risk stratification, outcome prediction, and adjustment for comorbidity burden in research studies. It aids clinicians and researchers in estimating 1-year mortality risk and in guiding treatment decisions by quantifying the impact of comorbid illnesses on patient prognosis. The Charlson Comorbidity Index has demonstrated predictive validity across inpatient and outpatient settings, including surgical and medical populations. The Charlson Comorbidity Index consists of 19 items assessing specific comorbid conditions. Each item corresponds to a medical diagnosis such as heart failure, diabetes, or metastatic solid tumor. The presence or absence of each condition is recorded using a dichotomous response format of yes or no. Each condition carries an assigned weight ranging from 1 to 6 based on the relative risk of mortality associated with it. To perform the index, the clinician reviews the patient's medical history and identifies all relevant diagnoses. The weights of all present conditions are then summed to calculate a total score. The total score reflects cumulative comorbidity burden and predicts 10-year mortality risk. Scores of 0 indicate no comorbid conditions, 1 to 2 suggest low to moderate risk, and scores above 5 represent severe comorbidity with a significantly elevated risk of mortality. This weighting system enables standardized risk stratification for clinical decision-making and research purposes. The Charlson Comorbidity Index demonstrates variable sensitivity and specificity depending on the clinical context and the outcome measured. Sensitivity refers to the ability of the index to correctly identify patients who will experience an adverse outcome, such as mortality, while specificity indicates how well the index can correctly exclude patients who will not experience that outcome. For example, in predicting 1-year mortality in hospitalized patients, studies have reported sensitivity ranging from approximately 75% to 85%, meaning the index identifies 75 to 85 out of 100 patients who truly have the risk. Specificity values have varied from 60 to 75%, indicating that the index correctly rules out 60 to 75 patients out of 100 who will not experience the outcome. These metrics reflect the CCI's moderate accuracy. It is effective in risk stratification, but may produce false positives or false negatives depending on the threshold score used. Adjusting the cutoff point can improve either sensitivity or specificity, but typically at the expense of the other, underscoring the need to contextualize CCI use within clinical judgment and complementary assessments. The Charlson Comorbidity Index was originally developed in 1987 by Mary Charlson and colleagues to provide a method of categorizing comorbid conditions that might alter the risk of mortality for use in longitudinal studies. The initial validation study involved a cohort of 500 patients and demonstrated that the index effectively predicted 1-year mortality with a strong correlation coefficient of 0.81. Subsequent validation studies have been conducted across diverse clinical populations and healthcare settings, consistently confirming the index's prognostic value. For example, research within oncology and cardiovascular disease populations has shown that higher Charlson Comorbidity Index scores are significantly associated with increased mortality and adverse clinical outcomes. Furthermore, the index has been validated against administrative data and clinical records, exhibiting robust predictive accuracy with C-statistics generally ranging from 0.7 to 0.85 in various studies. These findings support the application of the Charlson Comorbidity Index as a reliable tool for risk adjustment and outcome prediction in both research and clinical practice. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.